So over here you can see that I have a database, and let's say what I actually want to do is view a timeline view of the contents that I have in the table right here. In that case, what you can simply do is click on the plus button on your database and then access the timeline right here just like this. And based on the dates that you have, you can actually see the timelines for the task. You can go ahead and click on this, and then you can actually see that it opens up these particular views of the particular data, and you can add in comments right here, change around the status and so forth just like this as well. So this is what you have. If you want to go ahead and add in a blank timeline, then you can go around over here and press slash right here, and then what you can actually do is type in, let's say for example, timeline right here. So let's just go ahead and type in timeline, and here you can see that there's the database, and click right here, and this is the timeline that you have. You can go ahead and change around the cards, as you can see right here. You can change around the name for these, and then you can also go ahead and then click on a certain spot, type in the name right here, and change around, let's say for example, the timeline for this as well by clicking and dragging these content out right here. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with database timeline inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.